Summary. So we have reviewed some studies on what role consciousness may play in the ways we act and learn. There is some evidence that our conscious experience may not be that important for us to initiate simple movements, but in a sense that may not be so surprising. These movements are simple, after all. For more complicated, deliberate processes, such as preparing for a task or inhibiting a prepared response, unconscious processes seem to play some role. Much of this has been shown using the experimental procedure called subliminal priming. But these studies are limited. They cannot tell us whether consciousness is needed to fully exercise these higher cognitive functions. So they cannot decisively answer our question regarding whether the globalists or the localists are correct. To address the question, we need to find strong, unconscious signals in the brain. There are two ways. One is blind sight. These patients are rare, but in the data we've seen, it looks like consciousness is not that important for whether the relevant stimulus can be attended to. And then there is the method of decoded neurofeedback. These studies showed that associative learning can be performed with unconscious representations. In a sense, the jury is still out. There are many important higher cognitive functions that still aren't yet tested with these methods, giving us strong unconscious signals. Many current studies still focus on subliminal priming, despite the limitations. But overall, so far it looks like we can unconsciously do more than one might have assumed. In some instances, at least, unconscious processing seems very powerful. This may be a problem for global theories of consciousness.